Hi guys, this is Asu and this is my brother.
Hello, long time no see.
Here we are at this really beautiful place. What is this called again? How do you call this place? Like in Burmese, how do you call this place? You know? What is that? I can't recall it.
Be.Falls Waterfall. But anyway, we just enjoying our trip.
Yeah. So I'm gonna be showing you guys around this place. Okay. This place is such a nice place. Okay, let me show you guys this first. A little waterfall, of course. Back to our conversation. We were talking about this place, and do you enjoy this place? Like, do you like this place?
Sure.
Yeah, this is our first time, so I feel excited and I feel great to be here. We get to be with like this beautiful nature. Yeah.
Okay. I just wanted to release all the stress here.
How do you call that in English? Is that like great? Oh, sky cable car.
Cable car.
Yeah, sky cable car. It's gonna be so good to be on there, like right there, guys.
Yeah, okay.
I never been on one, so yeah, I think I'm gonna be going on there. Oh gosh, look at this. It looks like a real like gorilla.
Gorilla.
Okay. Do you want to go over there and take some photos?
Maybe. I think I like to take. No.
That's
Yeah,
okay.
there are so many
We just film here, right?
What?
With this crocodile, do you want to take some photos with it?
The crocodile?
Yeah.
I mean, not a real crocodile.
Yeah.
We're going to take sky cable car.
Okay.
So let's take a ride.
So here's the ticket. Well, there are like a lot of people right now waiting to take sky cable cars.
So many people waiting here.
Yeah, there's so many people. Hi. How was your experience? Was it wonderful? Great?
Normal.
It was great. The view was amazing. I'm on this glass bridge right now, and this is really popular in this place. Wow, look, beautiful flowers. We got here like after we have our lunch, and we had to wait for a long time to ride on these cable cars. So it's time to finally go back home. Wow. I just saw this wonderful things right here. Like, I'm not sure if you guys can see it clearly. Okay. I loved playing, like jumping on it when I was a kid. It reminds me of very wonderful memories. As you guys can see right now, the singers are singing some Burmese songs. It's almost 5 p.m., so we're gonna be going to a place to have our dinner. This is like a place to have our dinner, and well, the view looks so amazing. This is like the view that you can see from here, and the houses, well, they are so cool. And I could say this is such a peaceful place. We're ordering some food right now. And here's my order. So this is how this place actually looks like at night time. It is around, I think, 5:49. So it's freezing here. Guys, we just had our dinner, and thanks for watching today's video, guys. I'll see you guys in my new video. Bye.